Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling Ford stock? Let's dive deep into Ford in this video. We previously published an initial report on our website on Thursday, November 30, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. We want to make sure you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. This powerful tool taps into the capabilities of artificial intelligence, providing free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Enhance your trading strategies today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 30, 2023, our system has identified Ford as a sell candidate with a score of -3.20. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We will closely monitor this evaluation to witness how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -21.73% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -31% and -19.04%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an expected -8.09% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -13.76% and 32.64%. This means the stock price could range from $8.85 to $13.61 after 1 year. Our latest update on Ford brings a headline that states, "Weaker technical forecast for Ford as stock is downgraded to a sell candidate." On the last trading day, which was Thursday, November 30, 2023, the Ford stock price experienced a decline of 3.12%. It went from $10.59 to $10.26. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 5.11%, ranging from a low of $10.18 to a high of $10.70. While the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by 2.01% for this period. The volume of shares traded on the last day increased by 4 million, but this occurred while the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 78 million shares were bought and sold, with a total value of $795.47 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Ford stock was $15.42, while the lowest price was $9.63. Currently, the price is 33.46% below the 52-week high, which is a difference of $5.16. It is also 60.34% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 13, 2022, when the price reached $25.87. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Ford. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Burrell & Company upgraded Ford's rating to overweight. Also on Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Barclays gave Ford an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Earlier, on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, UBS initiated coverage on Ford with a buy rating. Going back to Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Daiwa maintained a neutral rating on Ford with a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, July 7, 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded Ford's rating to overweight with a hold action. Analysts have given Ford stock a strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's analyze the signals for Ford stock. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 5.77%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there are some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a sell signal, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. In terms of resistance levels, the stock may face some challenges at $10.34 and $10.64. If the stock manages to break above these levels, it will issue buy signals. It's worth noting that volume increased on falling prices recently, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock's performance in the coming days. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's showing a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was identified 15 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was detected 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, indicating a buy signal 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, here's what we find. Short moving average, it generated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 82 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, showing a buy signal 74 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford's support level is at $9.96, indicated by accumulated volume. This presents a potential buying opportunity, as when support is tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the stock price. Ford is typically traded at a good volume, and its daily price changes are relatively small, resulting in lower risk. In the past day, the stock moved $0.520, 5.11%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.81%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Ford, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may indicate limited expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.140. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Ford. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $12. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, Ford encounters its first support level at $9.96. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Ford has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, Amend Michael purchased 196,879 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On November 15, 2023, Amend Michael sold 83,286 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On November 15, 2023, Amend Michael sold 196,879 shares of Ford stock units. On November 15, 2023, Jaja Marin purchased 191,021 shares of Ford stock units. On November 15, 2023, Jaja Marin sold 46,153 shares of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio stands at 28.650, indicating a positive trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 4,020,618 shares and sold 2,131,179 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Ford stock a good buy? When it comes to Ford stock, there are some negative signals to consider. It is currently within a wide and falling trend, which suggests that its performance may remain weak in the near future. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. It's important to note that our analysis has been downgraded from a buy to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. However, our systems have identified that the current price of Ford stock is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Friday, December 1st, we anticipate that Ford will open up at $10.38, a $0.120 increase from the previous day's closing price. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, always consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing our information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Also, don't forget to let us know what your target for the stock is. And if you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.